Good evening. Weather impact alert for this weekend. Tonight through tomorrow into Saturday night for the snow. And then Sunday morning, we're talking about very cold temperatures. Still be cold on Monday. We'll go over that. But that's what we're looking at. The cold is Saturday night and the Sunday morning, the brutal cold. That's the extreme cold warning. And then we'll probably have a cold weather advisory for Monday morning. The winds won't be as high, but temperatures about 11. Tonight through Saturday night for the snow and moderate to heavy at times through the day tomorrow. So hazardous driving conditions and dangerously cold temperatures. And that's how we're looking at through Monday morning with our weather impact alert these 2 days for the cold, very cold temperatures. We could see wind chill temperatures Sunday morning, close to 0 in some areas. There is a winter storm warning, and that's from now or 10 o'clock tonight until 10 a.m. on Sunday. The snow will probably come to an end overnight Saturday into early Sunday morning. I'll show you that here in a second. And the extreme cold warning is for the whole state as well, and that's for Saturday night at 7 p.m. and until Sunday morning at 10 a.m. And that's a step up from that cold weather advisory they'll probably put in place for Monday morning. You can see the snow showers, the lows off the coast there. Some of this is going to be rain at first. You can see the rain showers there. But the cold air is coming into northwest portions of the state. You can see all the snow in the mountains down into western North Carolina. But the cold air is definitely in place, at least up to the north. This is just one little a line of showers or area of showers that is going to go through, and then we're going to see the main event, if you will. Now, what are we talking about for totals? And these are wide-ranging totals, and they probably will vary. You notice, I mean, 4 to 6, but 5 to 10 is a big range. We're probably going to get some heavy bands that come through, and that is very hard to predict exactly where they're going to go through. But most of the snow is going to be in the northern half of the state, but you could see 1 to 3 down there in the southern tip, 2 to 5 band there, and right across the Midlands, 4 to 6, and it's possible to see 5 to 10 inches in some areas. So we'll take you hour by hour with our in-house model here. It kind of lines up well with the radar. You see that chance for some rain changing to snow. Those little showers go out here. And then the main line of showers. Now, some areas in the Midlands, this is going to come from west to east, and it's not going to go real fast. But it might take till, between breakfast and lunch before you start to see the snow shower activity. But it's going to come here, and you can see these are dark blue areas here. That's moderate to heavy snow showers, which we don't normally get here. We normally don't get this much snow. We'll probably see the most snow since 2010 storm, and we saw quite a bit there. Some totals might even eclipse what we saw during that last big storm. So it's been about 15 or 16 years. It was February of 2010, so it's been almost 16 years since we saw snow like this. Then it ends, you see 5 a.m. on this particular model. The other models are agreeing about 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, and then we get this northwest breeze, which is going to be about 15 to 20 miles an hour, with gusts possibly up to 30 or so. And that certainly takes our wind chill temperatures with a temperature of 13 degrees, takes it down to about 0, and in some areas below. So minus 5 below to about 5 above is probably where we're looking Sunday morning. Here's our in-house model, what's showing for totals. These are raw numbers, but you can see upwards of 8.5 to 9 inches certainly possible in the north central part of the state, and it goes down as you go down toward the south portions of the Midlands until you get down to the south part of the state, where you might see just a couple 3 or 4 inches are possible as it increases as you go farther up to north in the state. Now, that's why this area of red here, that's major impacts as far as driving concerns, and the orange is moderate. So major, I don't even think we got the major impacts with driving conditions last weekend with the ice storm. So your forecast for tonight, we're going to see snow showers west to east. It might take a while, probably not till tomorrow morning, just some areas in the Midlands or central part of the state to see these snow showers, but it could be moderate to heavy at times, where you could see 1 to 2 inches an hour at times. It could be that heavy as we go through the day tomorrow. And the snow comes to an end tomorrow night into early Sunday morning. How about those wind chill temperatures? You can see here, Winnsboro, 1 below. It could even be cooler than that. That's what the model, the raw data the model puts out there. But with wind gusts, you're probably talking about even going below 0 even farther. No blizzard conditions, even though it's going to be breezy to windy. Blizzard is a certain set of criteria. You have to have 35 mile per hour or greater winds and visibility down to a quarter mile or less, and both of those for at least 3 hours, and we're not going to see that. We will have light powdery snow through this snow event. So it will blow around a lot. So we're probably dealing with some snow drifts, and roads get treated and then the snow blows right back over them, things like that as we go through Sunday. And it doesn't look like the snow is going to be gone for a while because it'll stick around through at least Monday morning because we have those cold temperatures still in place. It doesn't get actually that warm, only 46. The snow can melt with the sun, and we are going to see sunshine on Sunday, probably pretty early in the morning or at least late morning hours. We'll see the sun break through, and it can melt snow even though it's below 32 degrees. But the major melting isn't going to take place until Monday, and then we'll get back down to 22 Tuesday. So some of these effects from the snow might be with us for a day or so after the storm. We'll keep updating you. Have another update live at 9 o'clock, and of course the show later on tonight at 11. We'll keep you updated, and you can go to WLTX.com for the latest on this winter storm weekend. All right, stay safe out there and have a great night.